So in this video, we're going to be looking at problem number 29. Here it does say problem 29 and 30. We're not going to be doing 30. So using structure, in exercises 29, in exercise 29, find the value of R. So here I like this problem because it's going to be, it's interesting because we have two variables in one equation. So we'll see what happens here. So 8 times x plus 6 minus 10 plus r is equal to 3 times x plus 12 plus 5x. So what we can do here is we can try to distribute the 8 and distribute the 3. So it's our normal distributive property. This will be 8x plus 48 minus 10 plus r is equal to 3x plus 36 plus 5x. So what do we do here? So then what we do is we combine like terms. So 3x plus 5x is 8x plus 36. And then here we can combine like terms. We have these two. So 8x plus 38 plus r. Now this is interesting because you'll see that the x's disappear. Now what does that mean? What does that mean? The x's actually disappear. So if we subtract 8x on both sides, the x's go away. They go away. And we only have one value for r now. So this is going to be 38 plus r is equal to 36. We have an actual numerical value of -2. Now, this is interesting because whenever the x's or whenever a variable just goes away like this, it means that the variable, the solution with that variable in an equation like this is actually there's infinitely many solutions. And you're gonna see that. Let's plug it in and check, right? Let's check what happens. So this is a check step. So 8 times x plus 6. So we got r to be -2. So that's -2 is equal to 3 times x plus 12 plus 5x, okay, plus 5x. 8 times x plus 6 is equal to, minus 12 is equal to 3x plus 36 plus 5x. So this is 8x plus 36, which is equal to 8x plus 48 minus 12, which you can guess will be 36. So 8x plus 36, you don't need to guess, you know that's 36. Now this you can just see, but also if you just subtract 36 both sides, that's 8x equals 8x. Divide 8 both sides, divide 8x both sides, whatever you want. Anyway, this is just going to yield infinitely many x values. So infinite real solutions, I'll say. Infinite real solutions. Now, this means infinity, by the way. This is infinity. Infinity. You'll see this a lot in higher levels of math, okay? Infinity. Now, infinitely many real solutions means that any x value you plug in, this is going to be true. So what does this mean in context of this problem? That means that when you plug in, when you look at this equation, when r is equal to -2 precisely, that when r is equal to -2, any x value can be plugged in to satisfy this equation. That's what it means. You can try that. You can try plugging in like r equals -2 and x equals like 5 or 6 or 7, any real solution, any real number rather, it's gonna work out. So that's the interesting part of this. And another thing is that if you plug in something that's not -2 for r, then of course it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work out for us. So that's essentially how you solve this equation. And this is an interesting problem, so I wanted to introduce it. I wanted to show it. So I hope you found this video helpful.